All right, we hit it, and you're gonna find it. 13 miles?
13 miles.
We are not going 13 miles.
1.3 miles.
Whew, okay, I'm gonna look closely. 1.3, that's more like it.
Yeah.
All right,
Here we go. Let's find it.
let's do this. Come on, Hurley. Ooh, show me that. That's huge.
Make a wish, Sadie.
That is as big as my
Make a wish.
hand. All right, we hit it, and you're gonna find it. Okay, we found it.
We found it. We hit it. We hit it. An X marks the spot.
Let's try that again. Okay, we have hid the treasure. Now you're gonna find it, and let us know when you do.
There's some surroundings. There's a crazy little tray thing there. There's
Say
a
that
dead
again.
log here.
And a vertical log there,
And a vertical log.
and some grass and some
And some
flowers.
grass. And there's trees.
If you come in the winter, though, I don't know what it will look like.
All right. Tag, you're it.
All right, you're gonna find 6 of these rhombuses.
You're gonna find at your 6th rhombus.
Go left.
Start looking.